How to connect Instagram account to another Facebook account. All you have to do now, after you open your phone, now go and open your Facebook app. As you can see, I'm using Facebook to do that. After you open your Facebook, as you can see, like this one, now tap on your profile at the top right side. After you open your profile, now scroll to down and tap on this settings and privacy. After you open settings and privacy, go to this settings section. After you open this settings, now tap on this see more in account center. After you tap on this see more in account center, as you can see, now tap on this where it says profile, this one. After you tap on this profile, as you can see, now it will show you all your Instagram account and Facebook account if they are connected. If they are not connected, it will only show you the Facebook account. So as you can see, now I've already connected my Instagram account and my Facebook account. But if you want to connect your own for the first time, it will just give you your Facebook account and this add account button. All you have to do now, tap on this add account button. Now it will ask you to type in your login information for Instagram. After you type in your Instagram login information, you'll be able to see your Instagram account like this. Like as you can see, now you'll be able to see your Instagram account like this are connected with your Facebook account. That's it, guys, on how to connect Instagram account to another Facebook account. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.